I've never pinched a tube before, and 2 in a row now, so on to our last spare tube, 3rd time lucky. Today is the day. Woohoo! Testing out the new helmet.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! G'day, welcome to JoeJoeMoto. It's been a big morning in the shed working on the bikes, but now we're out here. Let's have a look what happened this morning.
Bit of tyre changing fun before we head off on our ride, as you do, you know. Get things sorted.
Last pinch there?
Nah, too much. Fine, I'd pinch that with a big dude now. Yep, that'll slip over easy. Just watch your tape, like the touching the tape there. That's it, those on their own. Yep. Boom. Alright, so we're just changing over the tyre here, and someone, me, did a massive pinch in the tube getting it back on. Look at that! It's a pinch and a half, isn't it? I don't even know how I pinched it that bad. Anyway, got spare tube, so we'll change it over real quick. Alright, 2nd tube in, brand new tube, and yeah, I pinched it straight away. I've never pinched a tube before, and 2 in a row now, so on to our last spare tube, 3rd time lucky. Anyway, we'll see. And Luke's over here putting on number plate bracket, I don't know what to call it, number plate holder. And yeah, we're gonna be done here very, very soon, I'm sure. Alright, so we got the new front tyre finally on. No more pinches, thank goodness for that. As we said, number plate holder and number plate on, and just had a little play with the back brake here because we've got a lot of movement before it actually actuates, so just had a little adjustment, but it's not made a huge difference, so I'll have to bleed it and play with it properly. But yeah, so it's starting to make a bit of a dent in the to-do list, and it's now time to head out for a ride. Well, we finally made it out, ready to ride. We've got, as you saw before, new tyres and everything on Luke's bike, but today is the day. Woohoo! Testing out the new helmet, ProShot mount, pretty pumped, should be good. And we got the goggle inserts in the 100% goggles, ready to rip. So yeah, it's going to be different from the adventure helmet, going with the dirt one. Excited.
Alright, so a nice bit of maintenance there on my brother Luke's new bike. How awesome! KTM 200 EXC, it's just what we wanted. Cheap, awesome, ready to go. Just need a few little things. We got ourselves a nice big list of stuff that we want to do to it, and yeah, just really enjoying it. But yeah, this is his first big ride out today, so we'll see what happens, hey? And as you saw this morning, I am running my new helmet finally with the ProShot mount. Man, this helmet is just ridiculously comfortable and super airy and awesome. I just hope that we've got a good camera angle, because it's something that I've not tested really yet, so I'm going to play with that a lot. And hopefully the sound quality's just as good as it was with my other helmet too. Maybe even better, I hope, on this helmet, just the way the vents stick into the back of the camera. So yeah, lots of new things today. Got my 100% goggles with the Goggle Man goggle inserts. Really enjoying being able to see with some great goggles. Oh, it's the helmet. I'm feeling like a racer. Yee-hoo! Oh, big old front look up when I saw that tree. Yahoo! All right, saw the branch and just went and just locked up like, ah! Oh, that was great as a bike.
Good.
Yeah?
No complaints.
Awesome. Awesome. First water crossing for Luke on the 200. Let's see how he goes. All good. Whoa, watch that log. That one took some clutch. Oh, yeah, that's some tight single. One thing I'm not used to. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We got one more rider. Have you got any more riders? Roger that. That was some pretty easy single track. Hey? Bang along a high-speed bush track, otherwise we would have missed the outlet. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Probably not. Oh, I just banged the bars on a tree big time. I'm surprised I'm still riding. That's funny. Throwing him into it, hey. Woo! Oh no! Down the low side. You could probably even get, we're going here. Yeah, you don't turn left, hey. Oh, take it easy there.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Yeah, I'm good. Oh. Who put that tree there? Bloody hell. Just lost the front end there. Be a bit of a tricky hill there for Luke. It's pretty full on, but like I said last ride with him, I gotta remember he's not new. Here's our new teammate. Very smooth, good job. Lots of clutch, lots of clutch, lots of clutch. That's it. Yeah, awesome, awesome. You. That tyre, a lot of clutch, and you got yourself a hill climber, that one. You go first for a bit. Just just putt through. Alright, I made him go ahead. Hopefully he doesn't go in and do anything silly to try and show off for the camera. But it's really super cool to be out here riding with my brother on his bike. Oh, he's loving it too. That was a bad spot. Ah, double stall. Double kill.
Double kill.
Watch out for that stick. I nearly killed myself on it. Bloody hell. That was a good one. Right. Single track. Whoa! Huge front end wash. Then my boot slipped off the bag. Oh, it's all happening here today, folks. Woo! Just getting tired, making silly mistakes, you know. Yee-hoo. I had to go straight on that one. I could not stop. Oh. Oh man, I'm glad there wasn't a whole bunch of trees there, because I couldn't stop. It was like an octopus trying to ride a bike. I was arms and legs everywhere. Yep. This is like a bike off and lower it down bit. Yeah. Oh man, I'm endoing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there we go. Whoa, whoa. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Still going down. Yo, 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 yo. Don't do that. Don't do that. Let it down slowly. I thought it was going to roll. There's a big hole just here. And I just nearly went, boop. You nearly went over then. You were feet down endo style. I thought I was going over it. Yeah. Oh, there are logs everywhere, man. Nope. It worked in theory. That little bit of effort then is like, yeah. Alright, well that is it for our awesome little ride today. My brother Luke on his new 200. So stoked about that. He's absolutely loved it today. Trying out my ProShot mount on my new helmet. Got to say a huge thanks to my Patreon supporters for that one. My Buy Me a Beer supporters. I really do appreciate that. If you guys haven't checked out that page yet, look in the links in the description below, because yeah, it really helps out the channel with lots and lots of different things. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, give it a like, share it with all your friends, drop a comment below, because I do reply to every single one. And I'll see you on the next ride. Woo! He's going for the log. This is very widescreen for you guys, but no, pretty intimidating, the little log there. That's bloody intimidating, isn't it? Super intimidating. No kicker either. Oh, there's no kicker on it. I just bashed over it. I didn't do any double blips or anything. You're on an angle too. Oh!